You've definitely seen this. You find a flight, you wait an hour, you come back, and the price is higher. You probably blame it on demand, or just bad luck. But what if I told you the price didn't change because of the flight? What if it changed because of you?
You know that feeling, that little suspicion that you're being watched online? Well, it isn't paranoia. It's an algorithm, and it's learning your limits. See, this isn't a game of chance. It's a game being played against you. And I'm about to show you the rules so you can finally start winning.
Just think about it for a second. You're looking at the exact same flight, maybe even the very same seat. Every single detail is identical.
And yet, the number on the screen is different. So, why? Because the price was never really about the seat. It was a calculation about you.
Look, this is not some bug in the system. This is the system, and it's working exactly as designed. It's a hidden, deliberate process built to find your financial breaking point. So come on, let's pull back the curtain and see what's really going on.
We all grew up in a world of public prices, right? You walk into a store, you see a price tag on a box, and that's the price for everyone. But online, that price tag, it doesn't exist. Instead, there's an algorithm building one just for you in milliseconds. And here is the thing that changes everything. You're not in a shared, open marketplace anymore. The second you open that website, you're walking into a private auction where you are the only bidder. It's a market of one.
The official name for this is personalized pricing. It's a strategy that literally weaponizes your own data to set your price. And the crazy part is, most people have no idea it's even happening. But one guy, Daniel, he accidentally saw behind the curtain. And trust me, what he found exposes the entire game. So what is it that they're actually watching? What's the fuel for this whole engine? Well, it's the one thing you give away completely for free with every single scroll and every single click, your digital shadow. Daniel, he just thought it was a bug, a random glitch in the website. But it wasn't a glitch. It was the system, and it was using his own digital footprint against him. And the thing is, what he discovered is happening to you every single day.
So Daniel's trying to book a hotel room. On his laptop, the price is 6,200 rupees. A few hours pass, he checks again on his phone, and it shot up to over 7,400. He's stunned, right? So he asked his wife, hey, can you check on your phone? Her price? Just under 6,000. For the same room, on the same night, 3 devices, all in the same house, with 3 totally different prices.
Now, how is this even possible? Well, it's because the algorithm knows way more about you than you think. It knows if you're on a Mac or a PC, it knows your zip code and what that says about your income. It's watching your browsing history, your shopping habits, how many times you search. It can even check your phone's battery level, betting that you'll pay more if you're about to run out of juice. This isn't just supply and demand anymore. This is digital profiling. So what is the end goal of all this surveillance? It's not about finding a fair price for the product. Oh no. It's about finding the highest possible price for you. Every single time you shop online, you're being psychologically profiled. The system is running tests on you. It's learning your habits, all to answer just one single question. What is the absolute highest price this person will pay before they just give up and walk away? And this is how your own behavior gets turned into a weapon against you. So let's say person A searches for something once. The algorithm sees that as casual interest, so it offers a lower, more tempting price. But person B, they search 14 times, they compare, they hesitate, they come back later. To an algorithm, that doesn't look like a careful shopper. It looks like desperation, and desperation always costs more.
Here's what you really need to understand. You're not just a customer anymore. You're a lab rat. Every price you see is just one data point in a massive ongoing experiment. They're testing you against millions of other people to perfect the science of getting the most money out of you. And it's an experiment you never agreed to be in, and one that never, ever ends.
Now, I know this all sounds pretty unsettling, and honestly, it should. But here's the good news. This system, it has a weakness. It has an off switch. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find it.
All right, first things first, you have to go dark. Use incognito mode. It basically erases your memory from the website's point of view. Second, clear your cookies. Think of it like wiping your fingerprints off the crime scene. Third, you've got to cross-examine the price. Check it on your phone, your laptop, a friend's computer, just like Daniel did. And finally, stay anonymous. Don't log in until the very last second when you are absolutely ready to buy. Every one of these steps makes you harder to read and much harder to profile.
At the end of the day, the algorithm's biggest weapon is its invisibility. It works best when you just assume that the price you see is, Well, the price. But the second you realize you're being watched, that you're being profiled, the power starts to shift back to you. See, invisibility is their strength. Your awareness is their weakness.
So I'm going to leave you with this question. Is all of this just smart business in a digital world? Or is a system that secretly charges one person more than the person standing next to them for the exact same thing just fundamentally broken? You've seen what's behind the curtain. Now you have to decide.